When it comes to legendary sports memorabilia, few items carry the weight and presence of a trophy that literally drives itself. And in this case, we're talking about none other than Wayne Gretzky's personal Rolls-Royce Corniche IV, a stunning vehicle that commemorated one of the greatest achievements in NHL history. Back in 1994, Wayne Gretzky cemented his name in the hockey history books by surpassing Gordie Howe to become the NHL's all-time leading goal scorer with a jaw-dropping 802 goals. In celebration of that milestone, Gretzky's team presented him with a Rolls-Royce Corniche IV, an opulent luxury convertible that symbolized greatness on and off the ice. Now, nearly 30 years later, that very car is looking for a new owner. Coinciding with Alex Ovechkin's recent surpassing of Gretzky's all-time goal record, this historic Rolls-Royce is heading to auction, and it couldn't be more poetic. The car that once marked the pinnacle of Gretzky's career is now passing through time, just as the NHL goal-scoring torch passes to a new legend. Only 219 Rolls-Royce Corniche IVs were ever built, making this a truly rare machine. But what makes it even more special is its low mileage, just 9,107 miles, and its connection to the Great One himself. Imagine owning a luxury car that was literally rolled onto the ice to celebrate an NHL milestone that stood unchallenged for decades. That's not just a vehicle, it's a rolling monument. This specific 1994 Corniche IV is powered by a 6.75-liter V8 engine, mated to a smooth 4-speed automatic transmission. It's finished in a sleek black paint job with vermilion pinstripes, adding just a dash of boldness to its otherwise regal presence. With factory chrome door mirrors and a tinted windscreen, the exterior screams class, while still holding onto that 90s Rolls-Royce charm. Inside, you'll find luxurious black leather upholstery, burled walnut trim, and Wilton carpets, all of which scream comfort, status, and timeless design. It even has a gray headliner, a detail that might seem minor, but when you're riding in a Rolls gifted to Gretzky, every stitch counts. Over the years, this car has moved through a few hands. After Gretzky, it landed with a new owner in Indian Wells, California in 2016. From there, it made its way across the country to Massachusetts in 2023. Along the way, the vehicle underwent a $17,000 restoration at O'Gara Coach Company in Beverly Hills, ensuring it remained in top-tier condition. Now, this iconic ride is up for auction through RM Sotheby's, with estimates pushing over $500,000. Interestingly, it's listed without a reserve, meaning it could theoretically go for less than expected. And let's be honest, that would be so fitting for Gretzky, a man known for his humility as much as his legendary skills. At a recent Capitals game, Gretzky even joked with the team's owner, saying, "When I set the record, they bought me a Rolls-Royce, so you got your work cut out for you." Well, maybe Ovechkin can grab this slightly used Rolls and keep the tradition alive, one Hall of Famer to the next. Whether you're a hockey fan, a car enthusiast, or a collector of rare memorabilia, this is one of those once-in-a-lifetime opportunities. Not only do you get a rare, luxurious British classic, but you also get a direct piece of NHL history, driven by the one and only Wayne Gretzky.